Hello guys and welcome everyone. How are you? I hope you're doing more than fine. Firstly, let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Monica and I've been collaborating with Green FM Foundation for over 1 year. Green FM Foundation, also known as Fundacja Zielony Słoń, has been established in 2012 in the Polish city called Lublin. Most of you probably took part in our activities in the past, but for those of you who don't know what we're dealing with, our primary mission is to bring people together, organize youth exchanges, training courses, and everything is for the sake of self-development. Let's speak about numbers right now. So, we've carried out over 250 international mobilities on behalf of Green FM Foundation. Over 48 international mobilities under vocational education and training, and 29 adult education staff mobilities. However, within this video, we would like to primarily concentrate on our recent youth exchange that took place in the Ukraine between February and March. Many cultures, one human race. During this youth exchange, participants had the chance to learn how to prevent conflicts, violence, and radicalization, how to eradicate stereotypes, prejudices, how to enhance intercultural learning, and many more. You're going to listen to personalized stories of participants who took part in this particular youth exchange. Are you ready? Let's start!
Hello everybody, greeting from the Ukraine, from the town called Verhovina. We are currently on the youth exchange called Many Cultures, One Human Race. And it's really good opportunity to meet other people from the another countries like Italy, France, Jordan, Poland, of course, and Armenia. So, see what we are doing now. Look where we are.
Hi, my name is Coralie. I participated in this exchange as the leader of the French team. It was a really nice experience since we have the opportunity to discuss the serious matter that is immigration, and this with people from different places with different knowledge and point of views. But we also had time to discover our respective countries, especially Ukraine, and to have lots of fun with new people.
The project Many Cultures, One Human Race had an important impact on my life. I gained new knowledge about migration, discovered many creative ideas for solving migration issues in many countries, but most important, I met very interesting and smart people who made those 7 days unforgettable and bright for me.
I think this flag over here says it all, kind of. You can see Leith, Mamadou, and Anas on the three different colors of the French flag. I really met my brothers over there. It was a great project. Maybe not comparing it with some different Erasmus exchanges I've been to because they were longer, but it was really nice. The people were the best when it comes to what was the nicest on it. And as for the development, I definitely learned some new things. I learned a bit about myself, cleared my mind when it comes to some of the stereotypes, maybe believed in myself a bit more, and I became assured that I can just be myself and it's good. I don't have to be anybody else. I don't have to try and don't have to wear any masks like most of the humans do all around the world. So it was really nice.
Project Many Cultures, One Human Race showed me that there are no problems that can't be solved, and we have to help people around us to create a safety and friendly and tolerant society. And I will never forget that cozy evenings near the fireplace, and I can't forget that fact that we became a real team.
I decided to go to this exchange because going for Erasmus projects is always a good idea for me. It's amazing feeling, new knowledge, new people. You can exchange your experience with them and you can spend some time in another place. So it's just addictive.
Hello, my name is Awasisi. I'm 23. I live in France. I was in Ukraine for this project, many culture, and for this migration also, with another people come from another country, and it was very interesting and very cool. And I advise to make this project. Youth exchange is very interesting. So thank you.
Hi. In Ukraine, I had the opportunity to learn a lot about immigration and the cultures of the people that I've met there. And I'd like to have the opportunity one day to meet again everyone somewhere. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed our video. We were trying to present ourselves, our activities and mobilities in the way to keep you interested in all of the things that we are doing. And maybe it should be an end now, but I have something else to say. I want to invite you to the competition. Do you like being challenged? I hope the answer is yes. Okay, so it goes like this. The first step to win the prize is to like our Green Elephant Foundation on Facebook and share this post, but it has to be public. The second step is to answer 5 short, easy questions about us and send them in a private message. The third step is to write 3 or 5 sentences about why do you think Erasmus Plus is the tool for youth development. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, isn't it? We are waiting for you. Okay, so at the end, I would really like to encourage you to like our page on Facebook and on Instagram, because thanks to this, you can always be updated about our newest projects, our mobilities and activities, and who knows, maybe you will find something for yourself. So, are you interested? Because if yes, contact us, join us, we are waiting for you, and you can be the part of this amazing adventure with Erasmus Plus projects, and I can promise that this is the experience that you will never forget. And there is more. If you would like to change something in your life, and maybe start writing projects such as youth exchanges and training courses, don't hesitate and contact us. We can bring your idea to life.